subject pronouns, what are they? So subjects are the thing that a sentence is about in English. And subject pronouns are those little words that sometimes replace those subjects. Okay, so in the English that you'll recognize, subject pronouns are words like I, you, they, we. Okay, those are subject pronouns. And when I taught Spanish, I used a chart, okay, to tell the students whether those subject pronouns were singular or plural. And singular and plural just means one person, singular, or more than one person, plural, okay? And those subject pronouns help you decide how to change the verb, how to make them match. So the subject pronouns in English are I, you, he, she, it. Okay, those are all the singular subject pronouns, the ones that are one person. So it's I, you, he or she, or it. It doesn't really exist in Spanish like it does in English. The subject pronouns replace something else. So those are all the singular ones. So I, if I am doing something. You, if you are doing something. He, the guy over there, or Mario, right? She, or Emily, she, or it. Could be a cat, a book, a flag. Those are all subjects turned into subject pronouns. Those are singular. Now there's also plural subject pronouns. The plural subject pronouns take those three, I, you, he, she, and it, and add people. So I, the plural form of I would be we, because it's John and I, we. The you, the plural form of that, is all of you. So maybe I'm talking to you, but I'm talking to you and you and you, right? You all. Those are plural subject pronouns. Still you, but you in the plural sense. The last one, he, she, it, the plural would be they. They. So it's lots of he's or lots of she's or lots of it's, right? So books, students, people, well, people is singular, but persons, windows, John and Marie, right? They. So that's the idea behind subjects and subject pronouns. We need to know those because we need to know how to change the verb to agree with the subject pronoun in the sentence. All right, so let's try this. So if it's one person, what are the three subject pronouns used in English, or three groups? The first one is I. The second one is you. And the third group is he, she, and it. It is not going to be a person. It's going to be a thing or an object. But we do say it in English. And then the plural, they're going to be we, which is the plural of I. Could be you all, but still in English we just say you. We just know we're talking about a group of you, right? Not including me. I'm talking directly to you, not talking about you. And then there's they, which is lots of he's or she's or its. Okay, does that make sense? All right, so with the subject or the subject pronoun, we also need a verb to make a sentence in English. So a verb, or some common verbs in English, might be eat, sleep, write. So when you put the subject with the verb or the subject pronoun with the verb, you know how to write the verb, because verbs are also with an S or without an S when they're regular. If you want to learn how to put the subject pronouns together with the verbs, watch my next video on common English verbs, and we'll put those together so you can see how to change the verb in English to make the sentence correct. And if you have a subject and a verb in English, you have a full complete sentence.